Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic tenses. In last class, I taught you first type of past tense, simple past, which is also known as past indefinite. And today I am ready here with the second type of past tense. And what is the second type of past tense? Past continuous tense, which is also known as past imperfect tense. Alright, so let's see what is the use of the past continuous tense. At first, we shall see here the structure. What is the structure of this past continuous tense? So, subject plus was plus were plus V1 plus ing plus object OBJ. Now, the question is that what is the use of this past continuous tense? So, my dear, you can see here this past continuous tense is used to express an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. It means here, in simple words, we can say that when you feel that any action was going on in the past, any action was in progress in the past, in that condition, you must understand that this is example of past continuous tense. For example, you can see here, I was reading. That means the work was in progress in past. मैं पढ़ रही थी या मैं पढ़ रहा था. So, what did you understand here? I am talking about the past action which was in progress. Similarly, you were speaking. आप बोल रहे थे. Again, I am talking about the past action which was in progress. Now, in Hindi also, you can understand, you can identify whether the sentence is given is simple, is past continuous tense or past imperfect tense. So, if you find at the end of the sentence it is given रहा था, रहे थे, रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी इत्यादि वाक्य के अंत में हो, तो आपको क्या समझना है कि ये जो है हमारा पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस है. वाक्य के अंत में, जैसे मैं खा रहा था, मैं जा रहा था, मैं सो रहा था, ये सारे किस में आपके पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड वन सॉन्ग ऑफ गोविंदा. एक गाना है जिसमें था मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो बेल पूड़ी खा रहा था, मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेल पूड़ी खा रहा था, है ना. सो एवरी एक्शन इफ यू ऑब्जर्व you will find all the song, the entire song has been given or has been sung in past continuous tense. ओके, सो अगर आप कभी पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस भूल जाएं तो आप ये वाला गाना याद कर लीजिएगा, आपको समझ में आ जाए कि रहा था, रहे थे, सब में आ रहा है. ओके, नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द स्ट्रक्चर, इन दिस टेंस वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब was and were. All right, was and were. So we must remember where we can use the was. So remember, along with the first person singular number and with the third person singular number, we use helping verb was. Otherwise, with the remaining subjects everywhere, we shall use were. For example, I was teaching. मैं पढ़ा रही थी. We were teaching, हम लोग पढ़ा रहे थे. You were teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे थे. You were teaching, आप लोग पढ़ा रहे थे. He was teaching, वह पढ़ा रहा था. She was teaching, वह पढ़ा रही थी. You can write here the name also. For example, अंजलि टीचर इंग्लिश पढ़ा रही थी. अंजलि टीचर was teaching English. Okay? They were teaching, वे लोग पढ़ा रहे थे. So everywhere you are getting at the end of the sentence रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी. तो ये जहाँ भी आपको दिख जाए तो आप समझ जाइएगा कि ये कौन सा टेंस हमारा पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस है. All right. So in short, I have written also here with first person singular number and third person singular number. We use helping verb was in case of past continuous tense, and with the other subject we shall use helping verb were. All right. Thank you very much. This was all about today's class. You have to write, you have to understand this video, and I'll send you PDF also. So you have to write it down in your fair copy. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. And I'll send you a few examples also or work also to translate into English. So give your best. Thank you very much.